Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear class 10 students. Last class we discussed about question answer. Today I like to discuss before you how to write a summary. I am confident that you know very well what is summary or how to write summary. Summary is a short, brief or precise shape of writing over an elaborated passage. So, summary is a short passage derived from the main passage in which the main concept or the main theme of the main passage is depicted. So, it is nothing but a brief passage in which we can get the concrete idea or the concrete concept of the main passage. So, it is the abstract form of the main passage. Let's discuss about summary writing. Today I like to show you some procedures and tips on writing an accurate, meaningful summary. Okay, let's discuss summary. We learned that summary is short, concise, brief presentation or a brief statement or brief account of the main topic or passage. So it should be limited in size, not too descriptive or not too elaborated. How to write a summary? While writing a summary, try to write in your own words and avoid copying or quoting phrases and sentences from the passage. And in case of word limitation, there is not any distinctive or particular size of a summary. We know that summary must be short, brief, not too elaborated, but this short presentation comprises variable or multiple sizes. According to our board criteria, the word limitation for a summary will be 150 words. So I think if your writing font will be medium, you may cover 1 or 1.5 pages for writing a summary. Never exceed 150 words. Otherwise, it will be not a summary, it will be a short composition. So be careful, make it short, and in order to make it short, never mention any specific with details like numbers, statistics, dates, figures, these kinds of things. Mind it. So general tips of writing a summary. Use your own words or languages. Avoid copying sentences directly from the given passage. Word limitation will be 90 to 100 words. Page coverage will be 1 or 1.5 pages. Don't exceed 120 words. So minded this, keep all this in your memory. The structure of summary writing. In case of structure of summary writing, actually you have to follow the pattern of writing a summary. I told you that a summary is written in your own words and it contains only the ideas of the original text. You did not insert or use any of your own opinions, interpretations, any deductions or comments into a summary. So in the structure of summary writing, first of all, you have to add introductory sentence. First sentence carrying the main theme or sense of the passage. And in case of introductory sentence, you have to mind it that it refers to the title or the main content of the passage. And a summary will be started with an introductory sentence that refers the title or author or speaker of the main passage or the main point of the text. That means at the beginning of a summary, there will be an introduction. That is called introductory sentence. Next on, supporting sentence. That means the body of the summary. So supporting sentence that refers to the inner points of the topic. These are such a type of sentences which carries the inner informations or inner materials lying in the passage. So it is the abstract form of the body of the passage. So body of the summary carrying the inner informations of the passage, that is called supporting sentence. Concluding sentence. Concluding sentence, that means which refers the overall view of the passage. So that is actually the last sentence carrying the overall view of yours. And a summary will be concluded by an ending sentence in which lies the moral of the passage. This moral should be denoted by your own opinions or views. Recapitulation. At the beginning, introductory sentence identifying the title, author or speaker of the story. In the middle, supporting sentences presenting the main content. At the end, concluding sentence identifying the overall overview of the main story. For example, you have to make a summary of a story as there is no chronological order of the events inside the story, so you make it easier to understand the main theme of the story. In order to make a summary, use an introductory sentence at the beginning identifying the title or author or speaker of the story, then include few supporting sentences presenting the main content or theme of the story using your own command of the language. And at the end, use concluding sentence identifying the overview of the main story. In this way, you can writing a successful summary.